How to renew Twic card online. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you haven't already. Look for the option to initiate the renewal process. This might be found under a renewal section. The website will guide you through the renewal process, which may include verifying your identity, reviewing your personal information, and confirming your eligibility. You will need to pay a renewal fee, which can vary. Be prepared to provide your payment information. Once you've completed the online renewal process and paid the fee, you will receive confirmation of your renewal application. In some cases, you may need to schedule an appointment at an enrollment center for further processing, such as fingerprinting. After submitting your renewal application, wait for it to be processed and approved. This can take some time, so be patient. Once your renewal is approved, you will receive your renewed Twic registered trademark card by mail. That's how you can renew Twic card online.